我们今天最重要的行程是参观大岛位于岛东南侧的火山国家公园，里面主要的火山是 Kilauea。在2018年5月到8月，它有了一次大规模的喷发。在那次喷发之前，公园里很多地方可以看到流动的岩浆，但现在整个大岛上都没有可以看到岩浆的地方了，能看到的主要是壮观的火山口。一进公园，我们就遇到了工作人员在讲解2018年火山喷发的故事。
Friends that lived in the area were like climbing in the cracks, not the greatest idea in my opinion. Good reason why we shouldn't trust the public with their own safety. And the very next day at around 12 o'clock, we started to see a huge amount of earthquakes. And then at around 2, civil defense sent out an emergency evacuation order in that area saying everyone needs to evacuate this area right now. The eruption is going to happen. And in 3 hours at 5 o'clock, the eruption began on Mohala Street. The earth unzipped, fountains of lava were shooting about 60 feet in the air, and lava spilling off the fissure about 30 feet off. And it went on for about an hour and a half. The geologists, they took some samples of that lava and it dated it back to 1955. The lava was staying underground and insulated and pressurized for over 50 years from its previous eruption. So this isn't its volcano's first rodeo, it had erupted there before. The very next day, on May 2nd at night, Makamai Street began to erupt. Fissure 2, Fissure 3, 4, 5, 6, and in the next month, 24 fissures unzipped through that residential area.
火山国家公园的 crater， 然后因为去年火山已经喷发了，所以这 crater 变大了很多。然后可以看到冒烟是水蒸气被热的蒸起来了，然后就是好多烟，就像要喷发了一样，但是没有。从去年9月份开始就不再喷了，在下面没有拉瓦，只有一个大坑坑。现在正在走下去一个 trail， 就可以去到 crater 最底下。现在我们先经过了一片热带雨林，然后非常的潮湿，还有点下雨的感觉。底下一会儿就火山坑就很大，我们刚才从顶上已经看到了。现在我们会继续往下走，我觉得已经走了一半了。然后我们一起下去看看吧。现在已经 hike 到山下了，然后现在是在火山坑里，这全都是火山坑。前面这些空着的地方都是地下，就是曾经岩浆流过的地方。我们现在踩的是硬的，但它曾经是软的，硬的。我们现在已经走到火山坑比较中间的地方，然后这个非常非常大，我觉得非常的壮观。我刚才就是从后面的山上下来，然后我们踩的地方就曾经是岩浆、火山都流动的地方，觉得非常神奇。它现在变成了土地，我们也见证了地质上的变化。然后这个景色在其他地方都没有见过，觉得非常酷。我们一会儿会继续。那边被我打出了一个坑。离开火山公园，我们在返程的路上要去 Greenville 咖啡种植园，这里是全美咖啡最好的生产地，有名的 Kona Coffee 就是在这里生长的。
Greenville Farms. My name is Elnora. I will be your tour guide. And in the tour, I'm going to show you our coffee farm, which is below there, and you will get to see the young and old coffee trees. For some of you who are living in the snow state, then this is just nothing to you. our coffee trees from 8 to 10 feet because when the coffee grows tall, it doesn't grow straight but it bends. So it might break. And also number 2 reason is that all our coffee trees are hand-picked. So it's for easy picking. And every 3 or 5 years, coffee tree is cut. Okay, see that one? It's very healthy. Okay, 2 halves of coffee beans. Different shape of the side. One side is flat, other side is oblong. Okay. Now what happens to the skin or the pulp of the coffee? So inside this one has a very high content of antioxidants called polyphenols. So Kona company buys this from us and they turn this into a superfruit called Kona Red.
现在看到的植物是胡椒树。胡椒被采下来之后会被晒干，再之后才会成为我们能看到的胡椒的样子。现在看到的这长长的一串就是胡椒啦。我们还在农场里看到了更多大大小小的牛油果，最大的比我一只手都要大。在过去的3天，我们在大岛去过沙滩，经过草原，看过峡谷和瀑布，追过小鱼和小螃蟹，更见识到了火山景象的神奇。而今天是我们在大岛的最后一天啦，明天一早我们就要飞去这次旅行的最后一个岛欧阿虎，也是我们最先降落的地方。让我们一起期待下一集吧。